once again.
So guys, this is a Bertolli olive oil. Container is quite old, as we use olive oil mostly in winter only. So yeah, it's quite a tall bottle, big bottle, so I couldn't finish this. So this is a olive oil basically I use for my hair, and these are some hair tools of mine. As you can see that there are quite 5 numbers of comb and a fork comb and a hairbrush. Both these combs are very favorite, and the left one you can see is wooden. Wooden comb are very healthy and useful for our hair, and the right one, the colorful like wide length comb, I use that to detangle my hair while I use conditioner after having my shampoo, and once I use this after having my oil therapy done. These combs are not really essential for the hair care DIY. They are basically the hair styling comb. Once I'm done with my styling process like heating or curling or straightening, I just spray some hairspray on them and I give my hair a very perfect finishing look. So they are basically the hair styling comb, not the hair care comb. This is again a normal paddle sort of a brush, which is not that much needed for the hair care DIY. I'm showing them because just to share with you all that what kind of brushes I basically use and I have. Now we are talking about the division clip, which are must buy for every girl who are especially having heavy hairs like me, because I really have heavy hair. Yeah guys, I'm back again, and now we're gonna start our hair care DIY oil based routine. So this is my sitting area, and whenever I do my I put oil in my hair, I sit here only, and as I said that there is a quite less sunlight, so you guys have to manage with that only. And I have worn a very normal tank top, or whatever you call it, spaghetti, whatever comfortable you are into, you can wear that. But what we have to be careful about is that oil doesn't get into our dress. So wear something which you know, very normal to wear. You can wash that and it doesn't get the spot of oil. So yeah, so guys, we are now gonna start our basic oil hair care routine. Though we all know the basic rules and regulations, I have showed you that what sort of oil I use and what is the trick and tips to put that before some preparations, putting our oil into our scalp. So I have that oil ready, and now it's in a good temperature, so we right now can start. So guys, before applying the oil, what I do generally, that I part my hair because my hair is quite heavy. I use this Tony and Guy division clip. Whatever you have, a clutch or clip or whatever is convenient for you, you can use that. So quickly just let me part my hair a bit, and this is something I use to like know that how ugly I'm looking basically right now. Okay, so yeah, I am parting my hair. It's a very basic thing. The way start from the top, you can do that. If you want to start from the bottom, you also can do that. Whatever, cool is cool, like fine, whatever. And yeah, so I have done something, whatever, to start with. And now we're gonna put the oil. If you don't have the time to heat the oil, you just can rub them in like through your palms, onto your palms, and yeah, you're good to go. The important part that your oil, it's like it has to penetrate into the scalp. This is the main point. And the massage trick is nothing like rocket science, but it's something really relaxing. Guys, for me it's very important to put oil at least once a week, because my hair is very dry and frizzy, and it changes its texture. It leaves moisture like season to season. Whenever it feels, it gets hydrated. Whenever it feels, it gets like really dry, like really messy. But I have short hair, so it's really
quick and easy to manage. I really prefer having short hair most of the time, like in my life. I don't really like having long hair ever. Like when I was in school, and like my early days in school, I really liked long hairs. But after I crossed my teen, I really don't like, and I feel that short hair suits me. And a lot of people who watch me, they always say that, ma'am, you look really good in short hair. So I feel confident, like easy to style when like we have short hair. When we have long hair, it really gets time taking to straighten, to curl, or do perming, or whatever you say, like going to, like taking up a shampoo or going for a spa. It's so much time taking when you do at this all these treatments at home, like by yourself. But if you have a short hair, it's really less time taking, that I feel. So I really prefer having short hair. If you have time and you can give your scalp a very gentle massage, what you have to do is just to put pressure onto your fingertips and go upwards, downwards, like amazing oil care DIY always helps to keep your hair healthy, nourished, and shiny, glossy, basically healthy. And that is important, very important. Like for me, it's very important to be healthy as a person, and my skin, my hair should be healthy also, like my internal body. This sort of massage helps your scalp's blood circulation and the root of the hair to get natural blood flow with minerals, oxygen, and vitamins, whatever it requires, to get a very healthy, natural, flowy hair. I'm gonna show you from back also. I'm just going upwards with my fingers. I'm trying to distribute the oil evenly all over the scalp. Yeah guys, it's a little bit time taking, but sometimes tiring also, but yeah, it's totally worth it, trust me. Whenever I do this, I turn my podcast on and I listen to whatever I want to see. Maybe I put on TV and I see something nice, maybe a film, maybe music or whatever, and I keep doing this because this is something, a very favorite thing of my life. I love putting oil into my hair. Yeah, I do. This is a very relaxing like technique for me. I always do this. Gently hold your hair, gently hold your hair like this and move your scalp with the help of your hair. It's really relaxing, trust me. So yeah guys, I am done with putting cool, like good amount of oil, and I'm gonna leave my hair like this only for at least 30 to 40 minutes so my scalp gets like good nourishment from the oil, and then I'll go for the wash and I'll dry my hair and do maybe a little bit of styling. Like after washing my hair, I'll put conditioner obviously, then I'll dry my hair, maybe towel dry, maybe use my dryer, but I generally don't prefer using dryer. I just leave my hair like this, and I want them to be get dried like air dryer. I don't like putting heat mostly into my hair when it comes to the drying part. Obviously I have to heat my hair when the styling is required, but not for the drying part. So when my hair will be dry and I'll be ready for the hairstyling, I'll come back to you and I'll show you the natural glow, or like maybe the nourishment I have got through this oil care routine, and I'll show that what sort of benefit I get when I put like this sort of oil and I go for a nice DIY hair care routine. So yeah, be with me. Hi guys, I'm back again with all this setup, and meanwhile I have done I have put on some makeup and I am wearing a nice off-shoulder dress, and I have done my fake nail. So as you see that I did a little bit drying on my hair because the weather is very much windy, so my hair was not getting dried automatically because there was no dhoop at. So yeah, so as I always use my iconic tools to style my hair, and whatever cut I have in my hair right now, it only looks good when I straighten my hair properly. So it's very important to use proper tool, proper heat protectant before you apply any sort of heat into your hairs. Okay, so okay, coming back to the point, this is the final result after having that oil DIY mask, and I kept that a good amount of 30 to 45 minutes, and then I washed my hair with VLCC shampoo. I use VLCC shampoo because my hair is dry and that shampoo keeps my hair really nourished and soft. And I applied my conditioner. Mostly I use this one. I'm going to show you. Yeah, this is my Pantene Open Hair Miracle. I love this product. Like I use this when my hair is half dry basically, and before applying any sort of heat, before doing any sort of styling, I use this Open Hair Miracle. I don't use liquid sort of conditioner after having shampoo. I only this one, Pantene Pro V Open Hair Miracle. So this is the final result, and I have done a little bit of straightening, like good amount of straightening, and still my hair feels really smooth and like soft. There is no roughness at all. Yeah, so oil is something which basically gives your hair like inner nourishment, and it makes your hair stronger and shinier and nourished, right? So I always go for DIY which is oil based and moisturizing based. So yeah, this is the final result. I don't want to make this video really long about telling about you the benefits and goods and bads about it, but you all know that oil is like amazing. It works amazing on everybody's hair basically. So yeah, this is the result, and I'm really happy about it. At least I want to suggest that don't go for fancy stuff at least, but take at least some minutes from your daily routine and go for a home oil based hair care DIY, and it will really help to keep your hair nourished and shinier and healthy.